Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look at just some basic 5 tips why people don't set goals. Yes, you heard me right. A lot of people don't set goals. They don't want to set goals, or they are not ready to set any goals. They prefer to be working in a computerized or auto mode, just to be doing their things just like that without any clean direction. But let me tell you, when you set goals, you become very specific about what you want to achieve, and it becomes very easy for you to achieve it and get back to other things. I'm sure at some point you may be asking yourself whether you have to borrow some time from other people because you don't have time. You appear to be very busy to some extent that you thought about 24 hours being too small for you. But my friend, you don't need more than 24 hours. In fact, 24 hours is too big for you if you learn the art of goal setting. Okay? If you know how to set goals and achieve them, you will have more time for yourself. You have some time to visit the beach. You have some time to go and just do your own thing. Okay? You can visit a lot of historical places. You can live your own life virtually when you are done with the key things that you're supposed to do for that day. So setting goals is extremely important. Why do people don't set goals? Today I'm going to share with you the 5 basic reasons why people don't set goals. The first one is the fear of rejection or failure. A lot of people want to set goals. They want to set goals. They are afraid. They are very much afraid of losing, of failing. Yeah, they don't want to be rejected and they don't want to fail. You know, maybe along the way some things may not work, so they are afraid. Instead of them to fail and face disappointment, they rather not set the goals at all. But this is wrong. Yes, you can fail. That's the truth. You can fail along the way, but that doesn't mean it's the end of it all. You can bounce back and do better things. You can bounce back and do it another way, change your method, and you can still achieve your goals. You see, the importance actually outweighs even the process. If you are clear and certain about what you want to achieve, achieving it, the journey might be tough, it's not a straight line, but when you achieve it, the joy in it is worth the effort, is worth the struggle. So the first one is people are afraid of failure or rejection. And the second reason why people don't set goals is because of lack of knowledge. Okay, some they want to set goals, but they don't even know that there's a way, there's a method, there are strategies to set goals. They don't know about it. So if you are one of those, try to learn about goal setting. What are goals and how do we set goals and how do we achieve them? How do we make it timely and even achieve them on time? So if you don't know, go and learn about it. I put a video link in the description here for you to learn about the basics of goal setting and what are the strategies and how to do it as a whole. Okay, so some don't know about goal setting and about the rules, about the attributes, and what do they need to set goals appropriately. If you are in that category, I recommend you learn about it because it's extremely important. It's going to save you a hell lot of time, it's going to save you a hell lot of energy, and you'll enjoy your life more. The third reason why many people don't set goals is because people lack ambition. A lot of people lack ambition. They don't want to be anything. They don't want to define the future. They don't want to say, I want to become a lawyer, or I want to become a medical doctor, I want to become an engineer. They don't want to talk about that. They just prefer to live their life according to the auto mode. They have no long, short-term, or any form of ambition. But my dear friend, having short goals, long-term goals, short-term and long-term goals can greatly help you. It can greatly benefit you to come out very productive, and you will make the best use of your time. Remember, time is a unique currency that you spend only once in life. Yes, you will not have the opportunity to spend it again. So be very, very mindful of the decisions, of the schedules, and of the actions that you put along the way. So if you don't have ambition, try to have ambition, because someone with ambition is more goal-oriented, is more the strategies he employs in attaining whatever he wants is very, very clear. When you wake up in the morning, you will know exactly why you wake up, and you know exactly what are the tasks you need to do in a day to contribute towards your long-term plan or towards your short-term plan, and how are these sub-goals going to be achieved. So have an ambition, and it will help you set your goals correctly. The fourth reason why people don't set goals is because they want to remain in their comfort zone. You know, setting goals require you to do some extra work, okay? Something extra, something conscious. You have to commit yourself to it. And by that it means you just have to do something extraordinary. A little bit extraordinary. You have to go a little bit beyond the normal box that you find yourself in. But some people prefer to stay in the comfort zone. They don't want to be disturbed. They don't want to do anything out of their own will. They don't want to go any extra mile to do anything. No, they prefer to stay, to remain within their colleagues, to remain within the ideology of their colleagues, what they do the normal way. They don't want to do anything extraordinary. So the fear of leaving comfort zone, the fear of exposing yourself to different things is what made people not even passionate about setting goals. So if you are afraid of leaving your comfort zone, I want to challenge you to try it, because only on trying new things, only on leaving comfort zones should important discoveries come your way. And the last reason why people don't set goals is the impact of previous disappointments. Yeah, some may say that they have set certain goals, they have strategized, but along the way they fail. And they feel like, yeah, this goal setting thing is useless, it's nothing, I should not do it, I should not go into it. But my friend, like I've explained earlier, you will fail along the way. But the failure doesn't define you as a failure. It just defines you as being human. It means you can start up and try it again. It means you can do other things. It means you can try it in another way. Okay? So the fact that you follow this same road, you want to achieve this goal, and you fail along the way, simply means you are human. And you can take a step back, re-observe everything, look at your strategies, look at your attributes. What are you working on, and what are you working towards, and what are the methods you apply? That means maybe you need to tilt some of your methods a little bit, or you need to add 1 or 2 strategies to get to your promised land. But I assure you that the fact that you failed previously doesn't define you as a failure. It even makes you to pay attention and understand the process very much clearly. Be very conscious of these 5 tips or 5 reasons why people don't set goals, and get yourself ready, get yourself together, set goals, because only when you set goals should your mind and your life be purposeful. Yes, you've heard of the cause and effect rule. Before you start doing any effect, you have to understand exactly where you want to go. And when you understand exactly what you want to do, setting out the causes becomes very easy. Sometimes you don't even have to memorize the processes or the goal settings idea. It becomes part of you. Okay? So it becomes naturally part of you, and you become very conscious of what is happening around you, and achieving your goals becomes very easy and nice. So I would like to sincerely thank you for watching up to this point, and I hope you are deriving value out of these short videos that I'm sharing. For more videos like this, please remember to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more and more useful videos like this. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.